Hello, good morning. I just took a shower and my plan today is I have a voice lesson and I'm hoping to either clean up my room or do the garage. I think I should probably do my room first and then the garage, but one of the two. But yeah, it's gonna be a day of me just kind of like hunkering down and doing that. So I don't know how much you're gonna see because honestly, I just kind of wanna zone out to a podcast and just go for it till it's done and not have to worry about anything else. So yeah, but good morning. How are you? How is your day today? Let's get started. Okay, I have my dinner all ready. Breakfast. It's breakfast. I'm tired. Breakfast already. I'm gonna go sit and stare out the window, eat some food, and then get ready for voice lessons. I thought I was taking a photo. Okay, makeup is all done. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair natural. It's doing its own thing and I don't really want to do anything about it, but I am going to go get dressed, I think do a couple vocal warm-ups, and then head to my voice lesson. I'm excited about it. I'm tired and I have a lot to do today, and I feel like I want to do those things, but at the same time I really like my voice instructor. We're friends now. It's pretty cool. I really like her. She's awesome and I want to see her. And also I do like the voice lessons. Like I love them so much. I'm just really tired. I'm tired and I have a lot to get done today, and I feel like I'm just running out of time to do it. I think that's really what it is. It's not that I don't want to go, it's I'm running out of time to do everything. I just didn't get a lot of sleep last night, so I got my days mixed up. My voice lesson is not today. Great, I almost left the house, but I didn't. So I guess now I can do all the stuff I want to do. Hell yeah, let's go. It's Christmas. I turned the camera on and never hit record. Cheers. It's ginger ale. I got my box, started taking things out of it. That's where we're at.
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it
We should go Christmas tree.
making our Christmas memories? Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh.
Okay, I think I have to go to the store and get some new of these because these are not looking good anymore. But they are Christmas, so. Okay, let's pick this table. First and foremost, ghost needs to go away.
My house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home and
I can put this in the center. Ta-da! Okay, so our music area, I'm not 100% sure what to do. I think I'm gonna put the red blanket on this. Take this off. Turn the lights up so you can see better too.
baby, this year it's just gonna be
Good.
and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
I feel like this works. Like these aren't the nicest, but it works. And then that way, there. I think that's all I can do for now. I don't really have anything else. I put the Christmas tree, I think tomorrow, and then I think we'll go to Dollarama and see if I can find any little things that are not too expensive that I can just add. I do have a couple more red things, these table runners, and I was thinking of putting them on our tables. I might try that.
Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
Does this do anything? I don't don't know. What do you think? I think it adds a little. I think it adds a little bit. So we'll keep that. And then I'm going to, I think, run Dollarama and see if I can find anything else to help out. Okay, I'm back. It was raining, so my hair's really wet. But I did get a couple things. I just like kind of went with a theme. It's very Canadian, you know, but I like it. And this, but I will say I'm a little sad because I didn't notice, but it's ripped. I didn't notice. I got these because I needed more. Ours are broken, so I was like, we need some of these, so I'll get these. And then they were just like a full little set, so I got the full set. So I'm gonna go put this stuff away, and then the rest of it's like really small, tiny decorations that I think I'll just put up randomly, and I'll show you the finished product.
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas